Hello friends, this is Coach Veer, and in this video we'll talk about this word problem where we need to factorize and find something, polynomials, those who can factorize. Let's talk about this. This question is of SMO and UKMT level, JMO for JMO. Now question is, when fx, the given polynomial, the cubic polynomial, is divided with gx, which is a polynomial with integer coefficients, the quotient and remainder are both hx. Again a polynomial, given that h is not a constant, this hx is not a constant polynomial, you need to find g and h. If you try to understand this, let's try the solution. How to approach this problem? Suppose fx is there, you divide this by gx. What you gonna get? You will get this some quotient and remainder, right? You will get quotient and remainder. This quotient is also hx and this remainder is also hx. But how to write this? There is a very easy way of writing this. Like fx is equals to, if you multiply the divisor with this quotient, which is sx, and you add the remainder with it, again you will get the fx. So here is the thing. Now you can see there is a hx common. If we take the hx common, we get gx plus 1. This is the scenario. Now this fx is a cubic polynomial, right? Because the highest power of x is 3. Let me write this: x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Now if we want to factorize this, we need to find the value of x which can make this whole thing equals to 0. You can see if you put a positive number, then it will not work. So let's start with a negative number, negative 1. So what we going to get? Negative 1 whole cube plus 2 times negative 1 square plus 3 times negative 1 plus 2 is equals to negative 1 whole cube is negative 1 because the power is odd. This will become positive 1 because the power is square. So we get a plus 2. Then we get a negative 3. Then we get again plus 2. Now you can say the addition and subtraction thing both are equal, so we are getting it equals to. So ultimately f of negative 1 is equals to 0. Hence we can conclude that x equals to negative 1 or x plus 1 is a factor of fx, right? This is what we can conclude from here. Now if it is a factor and we divide it by x minus 1, what we are going to get? We can use the synthetic method, synthetic division. If you don't know, you can watch other videos also, like 2 videos before this, where I have explained all this thing. Let me tell you this again. You need to write the coefficients of x square, x cube, x and the constant term below it with symbol 1, 2, 3, 2. Now you need to subtract, divide it by negative 1 like this. First thing will come down, then this thing will get multiplied with this, so you get negative 1. You add these 2 and negative 1, you get 1. 1 again multiplied with negative 1, you get negative 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, so you get 0. And now reduce the powers of x. So this is what we get: x cube, x square plus x plus 2. Now if we write this in our original fashion, this fashion, what we are going to get? We need to modify the fx in terms of this way so that we can find out the hx and gx. How can we do that? We know fx we have just written in this way: x plus 1 times x square plus x plus 2. Now modify this in a little bit this fashion: x square plus x plus 1 plus 1. So you can see that if I write this thing whole in bracket, this is hx and this is gx plus 1. So hence hx is actually x plus 1 and gx is x square plus x plus 1, and it satisfies all the criteria because it is a polynomial where the coefficient of x square is 1, x and other are also integers, and this is also a non-constant term. This is also a non-constant term, and as the question says that h is non-constant term and gx is a polynomial with all integer coefficients. So our work is done here. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.